Welcome to my YouTube channel, Softworldlink. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how to change the background of any image in Photoshop. Select the polygonal lasso tool. Zoom the image. Make a selection. See, the image selection is done. Select the image layer and click Add Layer Mask to add a layer mask. Open any background image. Drag the background with the mouse and drop it over the image. Move the image layer up. See, the background of the image has been changed. Subscribe to the channel for more such Photoshop tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching the video.